All right.
I have to get 20 subscribers on my channel.
What are you gonna do? Are you gonna give away a drawing or something?
Yes. I'm gonna give away this drawing. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. And our for kids. And in this video, we're gonna be drawing Ariel.
Ariel. What?
Ready? Let's get started. We should start with the eyes.
Yeah. I made one eye.
We draw 2 circles. Put some space right there. There we
I
go.
just drew it.
And then
Oh, but I still like it. What do I do?
you can draw however you want.
Okay.
And then color this in.
That's the face. That's my face. Let me look. Let me get a tongue. She's like, ah. Let me see, like, ah. She's like, ah.
And I also hope you follow along. Now we do her head. How am I gonna do her head?
Uh-oh. I'm not doing it right.
It's okay, Adam. Okay, and then we're gonna do her hair.
Go, dear. You said follow along, but I'm not doing it right. Look. Oh my gosh, your hair is so good. I don't know how to make that hair.
That's her tongue.
Oh my gosh, we make body. I don't have that much space for the body. Blip. Blip. Good man. Blip.
Okay, we're gonna do the
Get that
details later.
Blip.
I'm just gonna...
Blip. 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 Now look.
Does
Blip.
that look weird?
Now look. Look. Blip. Now look. Blip. Look
Yep.
at the body. Blip.
I see.
Finger. 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 There we go. Finger. 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 Oh. Oh. That's okay. She's like doing this. She's trying to wipe up something from her face. Look at her eye. Her hair. Ding! Her hair looks beautiful. Ding! Now I have to draw lines on her like hair. Forgot about that. Kids, forgot about that. To draw lines on her hair. Right here.
Don't forget about it. That's how Adam says, don't forget.
Red color, where are you? Here I am, how do you do? Black color,
Right, next we're gonna color it, and it's gonna go like, and listo. Tell me about.
So when I was doing her hair, you see this is a different color than this. It's because when I was using my red pencil, it ran out of color, and we have no pencil sharpeners, so I decided to use a different colored pencil, and it kind of looks the same as this one. And I added some eyelashes, a nose, this thing, the belly button. And I used this, like, let me see what. I used these two colors for the tail. This one for that and that. And this one for that. And I used this blue for her eyes. Yeah, I used purple for this and a peach color for her skin. I can't. And here it is. Here. Thanks for watching, and I hope you enjoyed this video. Smash that like button, and subscribe. And I hope we get 20 subscribers.
All
I
right.
have to get 20 subscribers on my channel.
What are you gonna do? Are you gonna give away a drawing or something?
Yes. I'm going to give away this drawing. Make sure to subscribe, and whoever subscribes the most and gets us to 20 subscribers, I'll give you this. Thanks for watching. Bye.
Keep it going.
Hello. Yeah.
What are you gonna say?
Ursula. Bye.